As the world evolves, traditional services transform with it, and with the progression of fintech and digital currencies, many banks too have evolved into a new era called neobanks. Many might confuse neobanks with digital banks. Both are similar in that they offer banking services through smartphones and other devices, but that's where the similarities end. Neobanks are financial institutions that give customers a cheaper alternative to traditional banks. You could think of them as digital banks without any physical branches, offering services that traditional banks don't, and doing so efficiently. They leverage technology and artificial intelligence to offer personalized services to customers while minimizing operating costs. Today we will be looking at the top 5 neobanks of 2021 going into 2022. Firstly, we have Oxygen. The startup offers consumers and small businesses accounts at a 0 monthly fee. These accounts, which are FDIC insured, can be operated without a minimum balance and come with a Visa debit card. Oxygen has 2 accounts to choose from. One is for the free thinkers and the other is for the pioneers. Their free thinkers account is for individuals, while the pioneer accounts target business users. The free thinkers account comes with no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, nor overdraft fees, while paychecks arrive up to 2 days earlier. You also earn cash back whenever you make purchases from any of the approved merchants. You can also flag certain expenses, such as rent or business lunches, take a picture of the receipt and attach it. This feature is excellent to help you keep tabs on your accounts. One other important feature that Oxygen has is the ability to deposit cash, something that many neobanks lack. You can deposit money using any green dotty location, conveniently located at CVS, Walgreens and Walmart. Another standout feature is that you can form an LLC from within the Oxygen app when you are opening your business account. A con of Oxygen is that it is only based in the USA and has a $3 fee per withdrawal for using an out-of-network ATM, plus any fees from the ATM owner. It has a service fee of up to $4.95 for each cash deposit. You can't send domestic or international wires and can't receive international wires, and there are no multi-user accounts. Secondly is Monzo. Monzo is a UK-based neobank that is currently launching in the US. Their waiting list is already open, allowing those who want to join this bank to start the process. There isn't much information on the US site except that accounts are insured by the FDIC to up to $250,000, and that fee-free withdrawals count to some 38,000 ATMs. Insurance is offered through Sutton Bank. However, in the UK, Monzo offers overdrafts of up to £1,000, which equates to about $1,400. You can set up budgets for each spending category and get alerts should you start burning through your budget too fast. There's no reason why Monzo wouldn't offer the same to its US customers. If you've been spending too much money and would like to start setting some aside, you can use their pots, acting as separate savings accounts. There are no monthly fees and no minimum balances to maintain, while currency exchanges come with no markup. Monzo has an account for teenagers, which gives them all the freedom of an adult bank with just blocks on age-restricted offerings. The cons of Monzo are that there are daily withdrawal and spending limits. You are charged £1 for depositing cash at local pay points and can only deposit a maximum of £1,000 every 6 months. Thirdly, we have Chime. A lot of banks offer a full slate of account options with various bells and whistles that can make it hard to determine the best fit for your needs. Instead of overloading you with options, Chime keeps it simple with one checking account, one saving account, with an APY of 0.50% and one secured credit card, all tied up to one attractive mobile app. Chime is a neobank that can help people improve their financial situation. If you qualify for SpotMe, you can get up to $200 in fee-free overdraft while paychecks arrive up to 2 days early. No credit checks are required. If your credit score isn't the best, you can improve your score by as much as 30 points with Chime's secured credit card. Speaking of credit cards, you can get fee-free withdrawals from over 38,000 ATMs. Chime's app features many security-related functions, including the ability to block debit card transactions and alerts whenever there's a transaction on your card. You can also deposit checks straight from the app, and transfers are a breeze. The cons of Chime are that Chime does not offer loans or financial products, and recently there have been customer complaints regarding access to Chime's account and funds. Chime is racking up complaints from users who can't access their cash. The company says it's cracking down on an extraordinary surge in fraudulent deposits. That's little consolation to customers caught in the fray. Next, N26. N26 is a neobank started in 2013, making it one of the oldest neobanks, and was established in Berlin. If you are in the Eurozone and wish to move away from the incumbent banks, but prefer the safety of a banking license, N26 is the way to go. In the EU, all deposits are protected up to 100,000 euros. In the US, N26 accounts are FDIC insured through their partner bank, Axos Bank. This means that deposits in N26 accounts are insured up to $250,000. If you have an Axos Bank account, non-N26, in addition to an N26 account, the total coverage will still be $250,000. It has now more than 7 million customers in 25 markets. N26 offers services to both personal and business users with a free basic current account, free payments worldwide. It provides a debit MasterCard with 0.1% cash back with 24/7 chatbot support. The cons are, even though that it has 24/7 chatbot support, there is no phone support, and chat support can be extremely slow. Another one is that you can only hold one currency, such as the euro in Europe and the dollar in the United States. Lastly, we have Revolut. Revolut is a UK company that has slowly been expanding globally. Last year, it established offices in the EU and the US, and in many ways has been a driving force behind the adoption of challenger banks within the mass market. Challenger banks are another name for neobanks. Their account accepts some 150 different currencies, and the company doesn't charge fees for exchanging standard currencies. That means you can use your Revolut card to hold and spend money around the world hassle-free. It also allows a free secondary Euro account virtual card for online security. It has a choice of account options that feature extensive premium features and comes with metal debit cards. You can also get access to vaults that can help you save money for upcoming expenses or projects, earn cashback rewards when you spend, and even order special cards to support causes. Recently, Revolut added the ability to buy and sell several cryptocurrencies, stocks, and they have a junior account for kids aged between 7 and 17. Parents can deposit allowances and set up rules to teach their children the importance of money. The cons of N26 is there's no option to apply for an overdraft. Free ATM withdrawals are limited, and you can't send or receive crypto from outside platforms. These are the 5 neobanks that we think will gain more popularity in the coming years. Whether they are the best is not for us to say, as there are 247 neobanks in the world currently as of November 2021, and would be impossible to check them all out. So let us know in the comments below which neobank you use and would you recommend it. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.